Yo, 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 Waddle Kids. Welcome to Pile Moments.
Hello people. So guess what? We are at a fair, a furniture fair. जहाँ पे हमारे literally कोई काम नहीं है. And furniture fair में we are going to review all the sofas. सबसे पहले. उसके बाद आगे क्या है हमें नहीं पता. But I'm going to review the sofas with a friend of mine, with a classmate of mine. By the way, Jundar, as you know me from Pile Moments, and I've got a classmate with me whose name is Rishabh. So we are going to do the sofa chat. Let's go. Let's do it. Sofa number 1. So I think इसके bounciness को देखते हुए I'll rate this one 6 out of 10.
Why 6?
I don't feel that much bounce.
This looks very wrong.
Sofa number 2. This is good. This is good. This is very good. I felt it when I jumped on it. I would rate this as 8 out of 10.
What did you feel?
I don't know, when I jumped it was like it's taking me in.
Oh my god, that sounds worse.
What? It's actually nice. So this is sofa number 3 and softness भी बहुत अच्छी है. I think this one also deserves 8 out of 10. Oh, I could give it 8.5. 8.5.
Why 8.5?
Because it's very soft. First one से बहुत ज़्यादा. Even this one takes me in quite well. Better than the second one. This is sofa number 4, and I think I would rate it as a 6 out of 10.
Only 6?
Yeah, only 6.
But why?
Because it's not as soft in my hand as the other one was in comparison. So yeah, a 6.
Okay.
This is sofa number 5, and this one, oh my god, I would rate it as a 9.7 out of 10.
9.7?
Yeah.
What's good in this?
Everything. This is so cottagecore, and it doesn't feel like it's not leather. No, it actually feels like something like very, very, very natural. Okay, so this is sofa number 6, and I'm in love with this one. I'm in love with this one. This is so meager. This sofa is me. I rate it as a 9.9 out of 10. This is me. This sofa is fire.
Pile is a sofa?
It's very much like if Pile was a sofa, if this would be.
So pile is a
This
sofa.
would be. No. Pile is no different. Like if Pile were to be described as a sofa, this would be.
Oh. Okay.
Wow, it's like a cradle, baby. मजा नहीं आया यार. I would rate it as a 3 out of 10. It did not take me in. I don't feel at place. Absolutely a no. 3 भी पता नहीं क्यों दे दिया, पर दे दिया. पर exists. It's nice. 3 out of 10. This is sofa number 8, and ये करते हुए मेरे को यहाँ पे जो भी इस एरिया के ओनर है, he poked me once, so अभी वो जंप टेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. करूँगी मैं फिर भी, जैसी वो दूसरी तरफ थी. So I would rate this one as 6.5 out of 10. Doesn't feel very natural, like not a very accurate. So 6.5 out of 10.
Okay.
Hi people, this is sofa number 9 and ये बस दिखने में ही रॉयल है. Just like everyone's life looks royal but is from inside it's super hard. It doesn't take me in, absolutely not.
Why does every sofa needs to take you in?
Oh, it's so hard, it's so hard. मेरा outfit के साथ तो कतई
Just
नहीं
like your
जाना.
life.
What the fuck? This is sofa number 10. This was not supposed to be sofa number 10, but this is. I'll tell you later that part. I would rate this one as 9 out of 10. It's so cloud like I love it. I don't want to get up. मैं jump test के लिए भी नहीं होती. This is so nice.
तो पिछले 10 मिनट से इस सोफे पे बैठी है.
I don't want to get up.
2,000 years later.
तो वो अंकल वापस रिपीट में आएंगे. This was going to be the 10th number one. This was the one we tried सबसे पहले and we loved it. But अब मैंने इतने टेस्ट कर लिए मुझे मेरे 3 favorites हैं. This is not one of those, but I like this one. This is good. I would rate this one if this was in the 10th position. I would rate it as 8.95 out of 10. Okay, let me show you the person, the cameraman. It's not Hiru though.
Would like to take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Oh, you.
भाई बहुत सारे सोफास टेस्ट करे हमने. I mean खरीदने एक भी नहीं वाले हैं बट क्योंकि 50 रुपये एंट्री फीस दे के आया सो आई जस्ट थॉट
ये सोफा 2 लाख की है.
Wait, I'll show you the price. I'll show you the price. Look. So yeah. I look quite. You don't. ये अपना स्पोर्ट्स स्टेडियम है जिसको फेयर में चेंज कर दिया. Not even coming.
ये क्लिप नहीं जा रहा है. ये क्लिप कट के जा रहा है.
पता है.
माँ छोटी है
पता
अभी.
है पता है हम इसमें बैठने वाले थे. ठीक है, लास्ट 10th वाले सोफ़ा के लिए हमने एक चक्कर काटा. यहाँ पे एक अंकल बैठे हुए थे. हमने दूसरा चक्कर काटा तब भी अंकल बैठे हुए थे. हमने तीसरा चक्कर काटा वो अपने वाइफ और बच्चे की फ़ोटो खींचने लगे. फिर यहीं पे बैठे बैठे हमने चौथा चक्कर काटा तब भी वो बैठे ही हुए थे. I mean उनकी छाप ही पड़ गई यहाँ पे. और तब
और
से
एक साइड से सोफा ऐसे उठ गया था.
उठा नहीं, एक साइड से बेंड हो गया, दूसरी साइड से उठ गया. I'll show you like ऐसे करके एक साइड से तो ठीक है. तो या I hope you like the sofa test. अगर खरीद रहे हो I don't think so you're going to buy it but yeah I still hope you enjoyed it. कभी ना कभी तो खरीदोगे
सोफा.
मैं पता नहीं ये क्यों कर रहे हो. I seriously don't know but yeah we just thought and we did
अगर
it.
तू चाहती थी वो सोफा खरीदे तो एटलीस्ट ब्रांड तो बताती उनको.
So you saw something which is not even required. But yeah, it's okay.
I feel sorry for you guys.
No, I think the people are happy. Like I can see the smiles through the screen. I can see that you're smiling. So
Oh.
I hope you had a good time watching this. And yeah, bye bye. I think और भी चीजें देख.
Bye bye.
This is nice actually. भैया खोल दो. लबू.
You want one?
No, I don't like this teeth. Don't hate me, people. I couldn't be
Smile.
the only one. I couldn't be the
Smile.
only.
Smile. Smile. Exactly, boo boo. Guys, Payal is now pissed कि अंकल ने उसके साथ खेला नहीं
सही में
एंड अंकल ने उसका टर्किश आइसक्रीम के नाम पे ऐसी आइसक्रीम पकड़ा दिया और 150 रुपये ले लिए पायल से।
Literally ऐसे करके आइसक्रीम डाल दिया और दे दिया। तो एक चाहिए था, पूरा ड्रेस्ड अप थे वो, ऐसे वो टोपी वगैरह लगा के, और उन्होंने वो घंटी वगैरह भी लगा के रखी थी कि हाँ ऐसे ऐसे करके देंगे, फिर छीन के देंगे। आई वाज सो रेडी टू थ्रो इट ऑन हिज फेस, बट मैन हू डज दैट? मतलब खेल लिया यार उन्होंने, ऐसे मतलब खेला नहीं।
खेल तो लाइफ रही है तेरे साथ। उठ
नहीं उठना
उठ
मुझे।
उठ उठ जा चुपचाप उठ जा, हट।
Oh, this is so cute.